Hello, hello, my friends. Hello. Today is February 9th, 2021. We have a lot to talk about. My name is Romeo the Professor. I am with A2Z Investor, and here we talk everything about crypto, altcoin news, technical analysis. What you'll do is no one should make any investment decisions based on that. Our channel is based on the Bitcoins um, technical analysis and forecast, like I said, and the best cryptos based on the latest data. So, what are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Chartists see price hitting 70,000 after Tesla crypto purchase. Also, we will talk about how high we think Bitcoin could do. We will do a price analysis on it, and we will talk about the crypto executive Giddy over Elon Musk 1.5 billion Bitcoin price. And we will finish it with a price analysis on Bitcoin. Okay? So before I start, please, we will share our watch list throughout the video, what we're watching, cryptos we're watching. And so please subscribe to the channel now if you haven't. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is meant to be construed as investment advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. So let's begin. Bitcoin Chartist sees price hitting $70,000 after the major Tesla price. Oh, okay. So we know that it has been picking momentum. It hit 48,000. Oh, and we will do a technical analysis on it. Now, as the cryptocurrency makes way into Tesla's balance sheets, uh, they foresee that the price hitting $70,000. Now, if I look at it, Tesla did speed up the price. So let's look. The outlook appeared as Bitcoin established a new record high on Tuesday, hitting levels above 47,500, which it did hit 48,000, by the way, people, for the first time in 12 years lifetime. Now, in its filing with the Security Exchange Commission, Tesla said it plans to buy more Bitcoin in the future, which I believe. Now, meanwhile, analysts at Trading Shot, an independent market analysis firm, think Bitcoin will hit 75,000. The site, a so-called LMACD bullish cross, just like when PayPal entered the Bitcoin market right around when it was at 13,000, then a month later it shot up to right around 25,000. Okay, now they say even the 75,500 target of potential 98% surge would be quite realistic with a 2-month time frame, as it would hit the 2.5 Fibonacci extension. Trading Shot explains with the graph above. So now I will share with you if I'm bullish on that, if I do believe that, but that's when I'll be doing a price analysis and technical analysis. So let's talk about how high other analysts see Bitcoin going. Okay. So don't worry about this graph. I will do one to show you what's currently going on, creating horizontal and vertical lines. Now, following the 1.5 billion purchase announcement coming from Tesla, the primary cryptocurrency has seen a huge surge, about really 25%. Okay, 20%. Now, we're not going to look at the Bismarck for our channel. So let's look at this news here. Crypto execs Giddy over Elon Musk 1.5 million Bitcoin space. Leaders in the crypto think the Musk decision will inspire other companies to do the same, which I do believe. So let's talk about it. So we know words got out that that Elon Musk bought 1.5 million worth of Bitcoins. Okay. Now, uh, the crypto industry is very happy about that, which we are. The investment means that one of the largest companies and the richest man in the world has now recognized Bitcoin as a store of value, lending 19 billion cash holding, but duly invested 7.7% of its 19 billion cash holding. Okay. In other words, it allocated about 8% of its money. Okay. The numbers are insane, crazy. CoinZoom CEO Todd Crossland, who considers Musk probably the most visionary entrepreneur of our generation, told us that the news is a shot across the bow to corporations around the world and further bolsters the case for the mass adoption of digital assets globally. Now, Bitflyer USA think it is a brilliant move by Elon and that it is inevitable. Dennis Vainokov, head of research at Digital Assets Prime Broker, Bigger, also didn't think that the news was entirely a surprise. Now, we knew that around January 29th, he changed his Twitter to Bitcoin. He was giving us a sign saying, invest now before he dropped his 1.5 billion. Now, Edgerton added, I don't know if you know about MicroStrategy, but they have a large amount of Bitcoin in their portfolio too. They already poked a hole in the dam and other corporations that are bursting through. MicroStrategy CEO, who has spent the winter month on Twitter promoting Bitcoin, the asset in which his company holds a position worth more than 2.5 billion. So Elon got 1.5, they got 2.5, that's 4 billion. And I know another 4 billion is about to enter within the next month and a half. I know that. I have a secret inside connection and I know that. Okay? Now, we know MicroStrategy started buying Bitcoin in August. That's when the price was right around $8,000, $7,000, which they already made 5 times that money, whatever they put in. He thinks it's an awesome place of store of value. And they plan on buying more the next month. No, I'm sorry. In December, they bought and raised their value to 650 million, which right now they have more than 650 million. Like they have a lot. Now, Nathan Koch, chief investment officer of the 2 Prime, told us that it will kickstart wide-scale adoption of Bitcoin among CFOs to take a serious look at digital assets as part of their robust corporate balance sheet. Okay, I don't know what you think about that, what it's meant, but if the richest man is doing it, I'll follow right behind, at least with 20 to 30% of my portfolio. So tell me what you think about that. Let's do a Bitcoin analysis to see if we see Bitcoin heading towards that magical $70,000 number. So before I do that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't now. So when we look at the monthly, we see Bitcoin right now at $46,000. Okay, this line right here realistically should be pink because it's a resistance. Because if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have a resistance right here at 46,000. Okay, the reason why I say it's a resistance because I still don't think it's a solid support. I believe the support for Bitcoin, the solid support for Bitcoin is realistically right here. I think the solid support for Bitcoin, and I'll make it light green, is right at the 43 range. So I see a pullback to the 43,000, even might be to the to this one also, which is 41, 42, and then it pop up and head to the 50 price target. So I foresee that by the end of February we're hitting the 50,000 price target. Yes, I foresee that. Okay, I am Romeo the Professor. Now I would like you to do this for me. Comment below that you subscribe and tell me your thoughts of the topic we talked about today: Elon Musk purchase and Bitcoin. I am Romeo the Professor. Thank you.